Most people get this wrong when they hear about free accounting software. They assume it must be limited, outdated, or missing important features. But here's the truth no one tells you. Wave Accounting is actually one of the strongest free financial tools available in 2026, especially for freelancers and small business owners. In this video you'll learn what Wave Accounting really offers, who it works best for, where it struggles, and whether it is truly the best free option for your business. This matters because choosing the wrong accounting tool can either save you hours every week, or cost you time you cannot afford to lose. Let's start with the basics. Wave Accounting is a cloud-based accounting platform that helps you track income, expenses, invoices, and basic financial reports. If you are someone like Alex, a freelance designer, or Jake, a small online seller, Wave is designed to keep your finances organized without charging you a monthly fee. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest advantage of Wave is that its core accounting features are completely free. You can create invoices, connect your bank account, and track transactions without paying anything. That alone makes it very attractive for beginners or side hustlers. But here's the problem. While the accounting software is free, some add-ons like payment processing and payroll services do come with fees. So, it is not completely free if you start scaling your business and need extra services. Let's talk usability. Wave is known for its clean and simple interface. Even if you have never used accounting software before, you can understand the dashboard quickly. For example, John, a part-time freelancer, was able to set up his entire business tracking in under an hour without any accounting background. Now here's another key point. Wave is great for simplicity, but it is not built for complex business operations. If you manage inventory, multiple employees, or advanced reporting needs, you may eventually outgrow it. So is Wave Accounting worth it in 2026? For beginners, freelancers, and very small businesses, the answer is yes. It gives you essential accounting tools without monthly costs, which is rare. But as your business grows, you might need to upgrade to a more advanced system. Here's the final takeaway. Wave Accounting is best seen as a starting point, not a lifelong solution. It helps you get organized, track money properly, and avoid financial confusion without spending anything upfront. If you are just starting your business journey, Wave can save you a lot of stress and money. But if you are already scaling, you should think ahead and consider whether its limitations will affect your growth. If this helped you understand it better, like the video, comment with what tool you are currently using, and subscribe for more clear and honest software reviews like this.